In this video, I'll guide you through how to find the record ID in Airtable. We'll walk step by step through creating a simple formula field that automatically shows the unique ID for every record in your table. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to type, even if you're fairly new to Airtable. First, open your web browser on your computer and go to airtable.com. If you're not already signed in, log into your Airtable account the way you normally do. Once you're in, you'll see your list of bases on the home screen. Next, open the base that contains the table where you want to display record IDs. Click on that base and then make sure you're on the correct table inside that base. You'll see your usual grid view with all your columns and rows. This is where we're going to add a special field that will show the record ID for every row automatically. Now, look along the top of the grid where your field names are listed from left to right. Go all the way to the far right, past your last existing column. You should see a button with a plus icon labeled Add Field. Click that plus button to create a new field. Airtable will open a small panel or pop-up where you can define your new field. The first thing to set is the field type. By default, it might suggest something like single line text, but we need to change that. Click on the field type drop-down and choose formula. This tells Airtable that the values in this field will be calculated automatically instead of typed manually. Before we add the formula, give the field a clear name so you can easily recognize it later. In the name box, type something like Record ID. You can use any name you like, but a simple descriptive name will make it obvious what this column is for whenever you or your teammates see it. With the field type set to formula and the name in place, move down to the formula editor area. This is where we'll add a built-in Airtable function. In the formula editor, type the following in all caps, just as you hear it. Record_ID, then open and close parentheses. It should look exactly like this. Record ID. You don't need to pass anything inside the parentheses. This function automatically returns the unique ID of the record for each row. Once you've typed the formula, double check for any typos. When it looks correct, click the Create Field button. Airtable will process the formula and add the new field as a column to your table. You should now see a new column with the name you chose, such as Record ID, and each row in that column will display a long string of letters and numbers. That value is the unique record ID for that specific record. Every row has a different value, and these IDs will stay consistent even if you move or filter records in your view. You can now use these record IDs when working with integrations, automations, or external tools that need a stable identifier for each record in your Airtable base.